How's it going, everybody? My name is Chris Ghaffari. I play Eugene in the play, the Doctor, Dr. Eugene Dart.
Hi, my name is Annalise Kirby. I'm playing Irene Arkwright in the Seagull, the California Seagull.
Hi, my name is Alexa Salome, and I play Natty.
Hi, my name is Nishant Gurnani. I play Simon in the...
Hello, my name is Jamie Biondi. I play Taper Trinneman.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Robbie, and I am playing the role of Peter.
Hi, my name is Kyle Radler, and I'm in the California Seagull. I play Willie. He's
What's up? I'm Daniel. Play Cameron in the show.
Hi, I'm Holly Linneman, and I'm playing Pauletta.
Hello, I am Emma Feiwell. It's Feiwel, and sometimes people say like Fuel or Fuley, but it's Feiwell.
Basically, the Red Chair players, we started working on this play in July, and...
So we're here now with this play, California Seagull.
It's based on a Chekhov play, which I don't know if you know, but that is important.
It's an adaptation of Chekhov's play, The Seagull, and it's pretty close to the original script.
We've been working on it every afternoon, and we come here to our lovely black box in the cinema and do it.
I designed these t-shirts. They're really bare bones, but I don't know. We need some t-shirts, so here you go.
It's like a serious show, but I think it's a good show.
So you can see us wearing these t-shirts around. They're pretty cool. They're red, which is bright, catches the eye.
It's like has funny moments, and it's very ironic, I would say, and it's intelligent.
But we're really excited about the play. I hope you come check it out because we put a lot of work into it. And
I have to strongly recommend that you guys come see the show, because if you don't, and I find out that you watched this video and didn't come see the show, because I'm just going to be so freaking upset.
We're really honored and happy to be here, so please come and support. Okay.
Come see just come see the show, okay? Alright, I'll leave it there. And trust that you know that I mean business when I say that.
Please come see it, because we worked really hard on this.
Come see the show. Come see the show, dude.
It's really awesome, so please come see our show. Oh, I feel so awkward.
Come see it, dude. I'm not drunk, look. It's Arizona iced tea.
Just come see the show. It's going to be great.
See it twice. See it 3 times. I don't care. Just come see it a bunch of times. It's really, like, sweet show.
really hope you come check it out. California Seagull.
Yeah! Come see the show. Come see it. Woo! Information right above my head. Come see the show. Come see the show.
Anyways, the other people are really great in this play. We have some really great actors in this company.
I had a lot of fun working on this show and working with this cast.
We have a really great cast. I love all the cast.
Having a really great time with the cast.
I love the cast. We're so fun.
Cast is great. I enjoy the cast a lot. Except Daniel. I hate Daniel.
Daniel O'Neill is a great character, and we
Daniel, who plays Cameron, my son, is a nutcase, and
Woo! Yeah!
he's well cast for his role.
we have some really fantastic scenes together, so you should definitely check that out.
Sorry, Daniel.
On-stage chemistry. Emma Feiwell, Jamie Biondi, Taper, and Nina. They are...
Actually, fun fact, I, in real life, date Taper, who is Jamie Biondi, who is my boyfriend in real life. So that's something that you should come see the sexual chemistry. These are my fingers. This is pretty cool. Daniel's gonna love this.
Also, Annalise Kirby. What? I'm coming! Annalise Kirby and Chris Gafari are.
Of course, Annalise Kirby. Yeah, it's... You know, she's sort of a bitch on and off stage. You gotta watch out. No, but she's great. Seriously, like, she's awesome.
Willie is not the biggest role in the play, yet I like to think that it's quite an important role, because
Simon as a character, he's not a major role, but
Irene, crazy character. Pauletta, she's this housewife. She's kind of awkward, kind of crazy.
This movie maker guy. It's kind of cool.
I play a young girl. I'm 18 in the show, and I'm 18 in real life, which means I'm legal in Edinburgh, which is exciting. And
my character is very functional, alcoholic, tobacco chewer. She's
Taper Trenman. He's a Hollywood director kind of type, and
Peter Drosser is my character. He's a really old guy.
Kind of tears apart the young relationship, and so that kind of ruins a lot of things and ends in some not so good news.
Don't ask me why I'm playing an old guy, an 82-year-old. I'm 17.
I'm kind of like a villain, but I don't mean to be.
I don't know why. I don't know why I'm playing such an old character. I don't know why I was cast for this role.
I am ignored throughout the whole play. So, considering this, I think that you should go into the play looking for Willie.
Little aches, little coughs, all that crap.
Looking to see maybe what he can perhaps add to your understanding of the entire play.
he turns from this lovable guy, not lovable, annoying more like it.
It's very important for me to remember that I'm important.
He also is a bit of a geek. It must be said, he's not the coolest guy.
Without Willie, California Seagull would be not as great as it has become.
It's a tough life being a claims adjuster. A lot of claims to adjust, a lot of taxes, a lot of insurance.
Smart guy, probably the smartest guy on the trip.
But I'm also the one who kind of brings on brownies and fruit platters.
Her brownies are excellent. Really good. Try them.
just kidding. You can cut that.
A California Seagull, it's really great. I highly suggest it. It's an hour and a half, not too long. We're at C venues.
C-section? Might be in the C-section. No. Ask Daniel.
At C venues, July 30th through August 9th.
Our play is being performed at C venues, which is really sweet.
Where is it? I know it's in Edinburgh somewhere. Just remember C venues. Remember C venues. Yeah, remember C venues.
So please come see the show. Yay!
Come see it. Do it. Do it. Bam.
Please come watch and support.
Yep. Okay.
And, let's do it.
Alright, so we can't wait.
We're teenagers. We're American. Roo-rah.
Thanks. Bye.
Take care. Bye now.
Probably should have thought of what to say before I started recording. I don't really know what else to say. Let's see. I already said I love acting. What else do I like? I like singing. I guess that's sort of in the same general area. So I like that. I like French. I'm kind of good at French. But this is in Scotland, so I guess that's not going to be of much use to me, is it? What else can I say? Sorry, this this is a really sad little interview, isn't it? Okay. I don't know. At this point, I'm just kind of rambling. I don't really have much else to say, so I figure I should probably end this. 'Cause everybody's probably laughing at me. I look like an idiot. Alright, so that means I'm going to stop now. Thanks for listening. Bye.